71% of salespeople spend more time on data entry than actual selling. Now think about that. The people had to close deals or stuck updating CRMs. What if AI just did that for you? In this video, I'll show you exactly how AI CRM is saving 3 hours every single day for small businesses in 2026. Let's break down where sales time actually goes in a typical SMB team. 32% of time is spent logging calls and emails. Another big chunk goes into updating deal stages. Then they're syncing different tools, and actual selling just 11%. So 5% team is losing around 25 hours every week to admin work. That's like losing one full-time salesperson without even realizing it. This is not just a time problem, it's revenue problem. Manual entry creates a dangerous cycle. First, reps feel burdened by constant updates. Second, data becomes incomplete or outdated. Third, reports become useless. Leadership loses visibility. Fourth, reps lose motivation. And finally, they move to spreadsheets or personal notes, creating a shadow CRM. At that point, your entire system breaks. Here is the real shift happening in 2026. Old CRMs are system of record. Reps serve the database, but AI CRMs are systems of action. Now the database serves the reps. No more manual logging, no more constant updates. The system works for you, not the other way around. Let's talk about what this look like in real life. Zero clicks required. Your emails, calls, and calendar events automatically sync. Customer profile update in the background. AI fills missing data using external sources, and after every meeting, AI gives you a clear summary and next steps. No typing, no switching tabs, no effort. Now imagine this. While you focus on building relationships, an invisible AI assistant manages your pipeline. New leads come in and AI assigns them to the right rep. It summarizes past conversations instantly. It even drafts personalized follow-up emails. And based on buyer behavior, it updates deal stages automatically, so nothing slips through the cracks. Let's compare quickly. In legacy CRM, data capture is manual, accuracy is low, adoption is poor, and reps waste hours every day. In AI CRM, data capture is automatic, accuracy is high, reps actually use the system, and most importantly, they get their time back. The difference is massive. Now, here's something most people ignore: the total cost. Businesses today pay for multiple tools: data enrichment, call recording, analytics, meetings, tools. It's expensive and messy. AI CRM replaces all of that in one platform. No integration issues, lower cost, and clean, consistent data across your entire sales process. You don't need to hire more people, you just need to free the ones you already have. 3 hours saved per day across 250 working days, that's 750 hours every year. That's basically one full-time salesperson added to your team for free. So the question is, do you want your team to keep doing admin work, or do you want them to actually save? Reclaim your 750 hours starting today. Start your free trial at hellogroupcrm.com. Link is in the description. Thank you.